Recently, I sailed on a 7-day Alaska cruise on the Carnival Luminosa, round trip from Seattle, Washington. Let's take a look around my stateroom, Ocean Suite number 7316. In all of my cruise travels, on all of the different lines I've traveled, this was my first suite experience. I found the room very clean, and my first impression was that it seemed 1.5 to 2 times the size of normal Carnival staterooms. I was traveling with a friend, so I asked for the Marine King bed to be set as 2 Marine twins. The beds were firm but comfortable, but a bit smaller than the Marine twins I've slept on in lines like Celebrity. One of the standout features of this suite was the separation of the vanity area from the bed area. It provided a lot of storage, a parallel set of cupboards with abundant counter space, task lighting, overhead cabinet storage, and special vanity lighting. The life jackets and safe can be found in this area. A separate desk area can also be used as a vanity if needed. Both of these vanity areas have 1 European outlet and 1 standardized US outlet each. In this suite, there is room for a 3rd passenger with a couch that can be made up into a bed. Returning Carnival passengers may be a little disappointed with what are smaller closets compared to the Spirit class balcony staterooms. On the whole, this stateroom has much more cabinet and drawer space than hanging space. The 2 main closets for the stateroom are on the left and the right of the bathroom door. Let's take a moment to talk about this enormous bathroom. Dual vanities, bathtub and shower combo, LMS brand shampoo and bath gel, and great lighting. I always appreciate the inclusion of a makeup mirror, and the absence of the dreadful Carnival shower curtain was noted and very much appreciated as well. On several occasions on this cruise, especially after a few rigorous excursions, I enjoyed hot bubble baths in the jetted tub. Mrs. Thurston Howell III never had it so good. I chose this suite specifically because it was on what is called the bump. The balcony enjoys wind blockage toward the front of the ship and pretty much unobstructed views toward the back. We enjoyed the larger balcony and spent a lot of time marveling at the beauty of Alaska by just stepping outside the stateroom.